Hi, carrying on with our review of the end of year exam paper that we did. This is question 10, the first one in the stats part. First question here, Sarah is investigating the variation within the daily maximum gust for Camborne in June and July of 1987. Okay, it's just setting the thing. This is a question about your knowledge of the large data set. She used the large data set to select a sample of 20 from June and July. She selected the first value using a random number and then selected every third value after that. So this is clearly systematic sampling. This is just knowledge. 1 mark for saying systematic. B, from your knowledge of the large data set, explain why this may not generate a complete sample. Some of the values are listed as NA for not available. That's it. That's all you need to write. You just need to have this knowledge of the information. Okay, on to the last part, part C for 2 marks. And this simply requires that you have a knowledge of the standard deviation, the formula you're supposed to have learned, but it's also given to you in an unfamiliar form in the formula booklet. And that formula is the square root of the sum of t squared over n minus the sum of t over n all squared. So it's really just a case of putting numbers into the correct formula. If you haven't learned the formula, it does make things a lot harder. It is also the square root, so we're getting the standard deviation and not the variance. So let's put the numbers in and see what we get. So having done the calculation, we get 5.51 to 3 significant figures. Rounding is sensible. Do be careful with the rounding though. Okay, thanks very much.